Woke up to snow, everyone.
They said to wait for the right time, and I think tonight might just be right. I know you want to do it too, so bring your courage, there's no rules. Don't be scared, just trust me, take my hand any minute now. Get ready to smile. And I just wanna see the colors and rainbows 'cause we
So, we got the snow. I'm on my way to work. It's so cold. I'm not shouting because there's people in front of me thinking, what's this girl doing talking to herself on the phone? But yeah, so the beast from the east finally hit us. So I'm on the way to the station, see how I'll get on with getting into London. Could be interesting or a very short journey. But my God, it is freezing. My nose is running. I'm a mess.
just in this street forever. Now that you're knee deep in this vice, just enjoy, take my advice. You say that you love it and you're okay, but I know better and you're afraid. Have no shame, just let go, follow me to another land. Try to understand, and I just wanna see the colors and rainbows 'cause we just wanna be.
So right now we have a full-on blizzard going on. Holy moly, I just got in, blizzard mode was going on out there. Sorry if I look really windswept, but oh my goodness. I didn't actually think, do you know, the funny thing was this morning, I didn't think we'd get any snow, but we did. Oh, I had to shake my coat and that off because it was so snowy. But I don't know what's going to happen overnight tonight. The sky out there is pretty bright, so, and it should be dark, so, which obviously it's got some snow in it, but we will see. I've brought the company, my work laptop home, so worst case I can work from home, but oh, what a palaver. But I know what Alex is, it's a lot worse, but we're not used to this kind of thing. When there's any kind of snow, public transport in the UK, especially going into London, grinds to a halt. It's absolutely atrocious, but oh, I need to have a pee and warm up. Hi everyone, so the beast from the east is still with us. I'm going to attempt to get to work. It's not actually too snowy out there. Look, some of the snow's melted, but it's so treacherously icy. It's so dangerous. And I know we've got a warning for a storm, I think a windy storm, but I'm going to attempt to get into work. I did take the work company laptop with me home last night, but I think the trains are going, but they're on a limited service. So I'm going to try and attempt to get to work. I'll get down to the station. If it's too much for our sake, I'll just turn back and work from home. So, I don't know if you can see me, I'm on my way, but obviously the weather, even though it's snowing a bit, it's not as bad, but it's just so icy. Look, I can see under my feet. So, just being super careful, because almost stacked it outside my house. So, just being as super careful as I can to get to work, not rushing. I get there when I get there. So, absolutely freezing. I'm on my way home, and how lucky, whoa, nearly, how lucky am I? I think the train in front of that, I think just near my station, on the carriages has caught on fire, and there's a reduced service as it is into London, so, oh, thank God that wasn't me, but I'm gonna get home now and get out of this freeze. So, just got in, thank goodness I wasn't on that train, you know, I mean, I just can't believe it. I saw pictures on Facebook of like train on fire, and it must have been the one in front of me. I could have been on that train, so thank goodness I wasn't. Got changed into my PJs, and my God, what a blinking nightmare. This snow has really buggered our plans up. We were planning obviously getting Alex supposed to be coming down this weekend with a builder to get stuff done in the house. Obviously that's got to be changed to another time. I know we can't help it, and it's not worth him driving down from Newcastle. It's so dangerous out there. The roads are so dangerous. It's just not worth the risk, obviously. But, oh, it's just scuppering everything up. Not looking forward to the journey tomorrow. And I need to probably get a few bits for the shops. I need to now sort out a few stuff that I'm going to take up to Newcastle and stuff. To be honest with you, the majority of my stuff's all up there. Stuff that I leave here, Alex can pick up when he comes down and brings back on. He's not coming down. He's not, when I come up, he's coming down not long after that, at all, a few days or something, then he can bring them back up. So it's not a big deal, but I feel I need to de-stress. I'm going to put on the wax melt. Do you know what? I've been trying on my Yankee Candle stash. I got them last year. They're all shit. I have to say, all the wax melts are really crap. They smell of nothing. Near enough all of them so far. Well, yeah, they've been so weak. They need to up their game. If all these small vendors, they may have similar scents, some of the vendors. I'll give them that, right? I don't care. I still love some of their stuff. Not all the vendors mind, but the ones I talk about, say, Scentsy, Little Tree Scents, love them. And Butterfly Scents were good as well when I once tried them. But if their stuff is stronger than Yankee and performing better, doesn't that say they've got a problem? Because when you think about it, Yankee has the money to sample and trial all their stuff, you know, in much more in depth than these smaller companies have. And they're putting out crap products. The stuff isn't consistent. The products aren't consistent. So, oh, they need to sort their crap out. They need to up their game. Hi everyone, so it's Friday, thank goodness. Storm Emma, storm, I'm getting confused now. We've got like wind, we've got snow. Snow's going a bit, but we've got a warning out for tonight. So I'm going to have to speak to my work about leaving it super early because there's a warning that we could have a lot of snow later. I don't know if we will, but I'd rather be safe than sorry, and it's Friday. So I'm going to make a move, try and get to the station without breaking my neck because it's so icy out there. And hopefully I'll get home at a reasonable hour. So, still lots of sort of snow and bits on the ground, a lot of ice. But the thing is, what concerns me is I'm on my way to the train station, and when you're the only person walking down there, when there's always normally people, and you think, am I crazy? Should I be going in today? But I'm going to finish early and hopefully get home a reasonable hour. Hopefully have an okay commute home. It's never going to be great the way things are in a minute, but yeah. Better get cracking so I don't break my neck.
They said to wait for the right time, and I think tonight might just be right. I know you want to do it too, so bring your courage, there's no rules.
So we got more snow. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, we got more snow. A nightmare getting home. I left to go home just before 3. I think it's getting on for 5 and I'm not home yet. Or is it getting on for 6? I'm so confused at the time. But anyway, there's a car coming, so I'm gonna have to get out of his way. But absolutely freezing. So I'm home and in one piece just about. I think it took me just over 3 hours to get home. quite a long journey. It might be 3.5, to be honest with you. You know, after a while you start not wanting to know how long it took you. So anyway, so I need to get changed, and we had no heating on the train some of the way as well. So anyway, I think we might be due more snow overnight. Not too sure, but I'm going to get changed. I'm going to take my makeup off, plait my hair for tomorrow, and I'm just going to chill out, have a rest, put some wax on. Oh, I've been melting, like I said, I've been melting on my Yankees. They've been crap. Though I'm hoping Pink Sands was always my fave, always my fave, and it always used to save the day. I'm hoping my Pink Sands will save the day. I'll let you know.